Alright, alright. Let's get this screen. Why does this never work at the beginning? There we go. There we go. Oh, shit. I'll send a live link over to John. What? It's still not working? Come on. This is not a professional start. Come on. Window capture. Done. What the fuck? Oh, okay. There we go. That was weird. Sorry about that, guys. Technical difficulties. I am not sure what that was about, but gonna get things rolling right now. Watching BTC. I'm in a long on this right now. Some non-cap. I was 100% right the other day about my my stream getting copyright stricken. It did because we were playing not copyrighted music, I guess. There we go. You okay, Kazu? Give a minute. I'm gonna share out this link to everybody. I might have a co-host today, so we will see, but I'm going to send a link over to him now. I might not be talking to myself the whole time today, so that would be pretty chill. Let me know. What's his name on here again? Sorry guys, give me 2 seconds. Should be easier. Okay, I think we actually do have a a co-host joining us shortly. I'm gonna be bringing in John. Hey, Milo. Cool. Cool.
Yo.
Yo.
Oh man, I can't hear you. Maybe something wrong.
No, you're good. I can hear you clear.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, I gotcha.
Okay. I'm just gonna make sure. I just want to make sure that it's coming through on. I think it should come in no problem through. Here, I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna turn up my desktop audio, and it should come out. I don't remember the last time I did this, to be honest. With Oh, wait. Okay. I think that should work. I think if I just have desktop audio on, it should work because your voice.
Yeah. If you stream to desktop audio, yeah.
Yeah.
Fine.
Perfect. Okay, I got it working now. What's up, bro? I feel like we haven't chatted in a while, actually. Like
not on a call. No.
Yeah. Shit has been crazy recently. Market.
Yeah, man. Are you live right now?
Yeah, I'm live now.
Oh, okay, sweet. I'm gonna put on the. I put on the live stream. Maybe I'm a minute behind or something. What are we looking at?
Yeah, the delay is weird on YouTube sometimes. Like sometimes I'll have my stream up and I'll be watching it and I'm like, oh shit, it's got like a 10 or 15-second delay.
Yeah, super trippy. So we're looking at BTC right now?
Yeah, I've been watching BTC, I've been watching SPY. I got stopped at, like, I had a long here yesterday. I don't know if you can see my screen now. It's probably actually.
Yeah, like maybe with a 10-second delay. But like 15-minute charts, I can see you long. Yeah, what is that?
Yeah.
68. Wow.
Yeah, I know. Isn't that great? I got stopped out. I got stopped out last night going long here at like 70,800. I got stopped out at like 70,200, and then I'm glad I did, because if I left that open, I would have got smashed. So it dropped down to like 68.7 this morning, or not even an hour ago, like an hour ago. So now I'm back in long right now. I got in at that liquidity sweep around what was it, 68.8. So now I actually have to mess up with this thing. What do you think, bro? I feel like
you got whipped out on the liquidity sweep at 68.8.
No,
what was your?
I actually entered. I entered there. So
yeah, dude, that's so tasty, bro.
Yeah, that was actually a great buy. And it just so happened that I'm like, oh, maybe I'll wait a little bit to get along, and then I saw this like nasty candle come in, and I'm like, I'll buy here. I'll take the risk, you know. But
yeah, you have to, right? You have to like risk it.
Yeah, well, in this,
so just looking at the 15-minute, just so we're both talking about the same thing, right?
Yeah.
I don't see much bullish reversal here, bro.
I know. It's rough. It is rough as fuck right now. It's just because, like, dude, it feels like I'm looking around the market today, and it's unbelievable how there's literally not a single safe haven asset right now. Like, really. Like,
everything's volatile as fuck.
Do you see gold?
Yeah, crashing like shit.
Like, I'll pull up that too. Like, that's...
Yeah, me too. I'll pull up on my side as well.
Like, this is wild.
Yeah, it's worse than... I looked at it earlier today, and it's, like, even worse.
Yeah. No, I looked at it too. Like, when I woke up, I'm like, oh, damn. Like, it was like 4,700, and then it just ate shit again here. It went as low as 45, like, almost to the dot. I don't know, man. It's crazy.
Fucking brutal.
It's just the crazy thing to me is like there's nowhere that's really safe. Like Bitcoin's down, gold was up temporarily. Like there's some guy out there that like bought Bitcoin at 100 and something thousand, then rotated into metals when it was already at like towards 5K, and then tried to buy oil longs, and then got fucked there too. Like there's no like simple rotation anymore, I think.
No.
It's
I mean, as far as I've ever looked at the market, there's never been any simple rotation. It's always simple in hindsight, but like...
Yeah.
Yeah.
There used to be more of a rhyme and a...
I think you get pretty good... You get a good couple of views on here, right? Let's get a good couple of views on your Twitter, right? So
yeah.
let's build out like a little tweet, and we'll try and get some people to retweet, and we'll run like a little giveaway.
Here, I'll
let's say $50 trading bonus, or like $50.
We could run that. We could run that.
Just like tweet like what did I used to say in my old post? You get tons of people following. I mean, it doesn't work the first time. You gotta do it every time, right? But like, it's gotta be like, tune in, and you gotta retweet this and tag 2 friends. Tune in and watch to be in for a chance to win $50. Bro, you'll get tons of Nigerians watching. It'll be great.
Right now they need it. I just posted pretty much verbatim what you said. It worked.
Retweet and tag 2 friends to win $50 and tune in if we're giving away $50 on stream.
Here we go. I'm gonna post this here.
Once we get some listeners, we'll tell them how to earn the $50. And then it'll be gravy. It'll be great.
Okay. Yeah, I just posted that now. So now that's out there. I'll share it to everywhere, the Telegram and
yeah
all that shit. I accidentally, for some reason, this thing is like the software that I use. Like if I don't purposely put another title into whatever the stream's called, it'll do the one that I did the day before. So I started up the stream, and it's like St. Patrick's Day live trading. And I'm like, oh fuck. I'm like, people are gonna be like, what is it? This guy just wake up from his drunken...
Bro, if you were in Ireland, bro, St. Patrick's Day is at least 3 days.
Oh, dude, I had a friend that was in Dublin, and posting to their story, I'm like, this looks unreal. I wish. I'm half Irish, so like that day, it's a fun day for me and my fam. I went out with my brother, and we really gave it the other day.
Oh yeah, you're half Irish. Yeah, I remember you telling me in Singapore.
Yeah. What's your thing about Dubai right now? Do you think, are you gonna be going out there at the end of April?
I don't know, man. Like, this is not what I was planning on, bro.
Yeah. Later, I know, dude. What are the fucking... That's what that one day, I know it was probably too soon, but I was like, this is literally my luck. Like, if anything is my luck, it's like planning on making a massive move somewhere, and then something disastrous happening within a couple of weeks.
You know the jokes on the internet about, like, people, like, get stuck in traffic, being like, Netanyahu!
Yeah.
But that's literally me on my move to Dubai. I'm like, literally, like...
Yeah, you cocksucker. You couldn't have waited for like a month longer. Just let me move. I know, it's shitty. Even Eric was supposed to move out, right? There too, I think. That's what he was saying.
Yeah, we were both going to move out at the same time, and then plans kind of changed.
What are the chances of that? I know, and then now with everything going on there, like, you just don't... I mean, I was seeing that hotel prices are a lot cheaper right now.
Yeah, I know, right? I think it could be a good holiday if you don't mind the occasional like loud blast and broken glass.
I've never been one to shy away from a loud blast. I could I could deal with it. I could deal for half off on my stay there at a 5-star. I'll deal with it.
Yeah, bro. What do you reckon the price on the Burj Al Arab is now?
Oh, dude, it probably no. I mean, probably literally half of what it was before. You know.
I mean, it was quite a lot before, to be fair.
Yeah, that fucking yeah.
What was it before? It was like 4K a night or something?
It I think like depending on like because like that time that we were there, I checked it out I was like just for shits and giggles, let me see how much it is.
It's like $2,000 to $4,000 a night, something like that. I think.
When we were there for that thing, I think it was like around 4,000, but that's obviously a busier time in the city. But yeah. Unbelievable, dude. I think that
it was 4,000, bro. If you want to go, if you want to stay there tonight, it's 1,200.
Shut up, really?
Yes. I'm on the website right now.
I would actually do that. I would risk getting bombed to stay at that hotel for a night.
Yeah. Did you see it was actually on fire like a couple weeks ago?
Yeah. But they're saying like I don't know. It's hard to tell. Like it's so weird with media right now because it's like they're saying that there wasn't a direct strike. It was just them shooting down drones.
Yeah. I mean that's what most of the damage is.
Yeah. So you're like, well, if that's the case, then fucking sign me up. You know, like
yeah.
I'll just book a room without a balcony. That's what I. But can I get like an interior room?
Yeah, one of the ones because they have a huge atrium inside that goes all the way up the interior of the building. You can get one of those.
Man, you've been in there? Have you been inside?
No, I just watched a lot of documentaries on it.
Yeah, okay. You know what? Too, I have seen a couple of like travel influencers go in there just to, like, I watched their videos, but I don't remember the inside of it.
Yeah, no, it's a really cool building. I went there when I was a kid, actually, when I was very, very young with my family, and now you can only get in if you either pay for a tour or like actually have a hotel room there. But like back in those days, you could just walk into the bar if you wanted, and they used to give women as many free drinks as inches they had in their heel. So if you had a 4-inch heel, you'd get 4 free drinks. If you had a 5-inch heel, you'd get 5 free drinks.
What? Crazy. That is crazy.
Yeah.
That's a wild policy. That's Dubai shit to the max. That, like, you know what I mean?
Right.
It's like the most Dubai sentence.
It
yeah, we give you as many free drinks as inches in your heel. That's like the quintessential Dubai thing. Yeah, you were saying when you were there that you went there quite a bit, and you lived in Singapore too, right? So you've been fucking.
Yeah. I lived in Singapore for like 2 years, and then my family continued to live there for another like 8 to 12 years on and off, and I used to go out there a lot, man. Singapore's awesome.
Oh, we had such a good time there, dude. Me and Danielle still talks about it. She's like, when are we gonna all go back out? When are we gonna go do that? I'm like,
well, I guess it's gotta be October, right? Unless, are you going to Miami?
No. For me, the States is a difficult travel destination.
Mark told me I'm only asking you to. I'm only asking you to kind of blueball you a bit.
Yeah. No, it's not just. It's like I would for sure, but I try to. The States is just, especially right now. It's like, dude, if you have anything on your record, they will. Like,
I heard about the record thing.
It's a scary place to go, because they can just like put you in a detention center for like months before you even have like a court date. So I'm like, dude, if something like that happens to me, I am fucked. Like, I need to be around. You know. Yeah, but when is that one?
April.
Yeah. So
like
what? Just before?
Early mid-April.
Before, like, is Token canceled? Like, that would make sense to me.
So.
Yeah.
I mean, who's gonna go?
Yeah, literally. I know, and it wouldn't be because all these companies put in so much money for them to to like promote that, like then if they didn't have the same turnout, then the return on investment wouldn't be worth, you know, booking all.
How much are you up right now? Can't see, it's kind of low quality here.
Is it right now? Here, let me check. Let me see if I
Might be
can.
my screen. $16. Wow.
Yeah, not much.
High roller over here, bro.
Yeah, I didn't mean to, I don't know, make you feel bad about how much money I was. Oh, that's why I wasn't telling you. I was like, dude, I don't wanna fucking break his heart right now. I've just paid for my morning coffee.
What's your TP? Because I think this is a terrible position and I would get out of it.
Oh, wow, you hate me.
No, I just think
it's really not that high. I was looking for like somewhere closer to 70K, but I don't know if I'll get that. I'm probably gonna put my stock up in a profit soon.
Yeah, I would put my stock in profit. I mean, like, this is just not a great. I mean, can you see reversal? I guess you could maybe imagine some. Like, you can kind of see higher lows. What time frame is this?
This was the 5, but higher low only on
the chart to look at like Dubai hotel cost. On the 5 minute, yeah.
Hourly, we're making a higher low so far. 4 hour. 4 hour. We're
so far, bro. We're 3 minutes into this hourly candle.
Yeah. I know. This is yeah. You're right. I didn't even notice that. That's so true. I'm like, yeah, we're making big progress over here on the hourly right now. We're fucking killing it. So I don't know what you're talking about. This position not being good.
You know what? There is kind of like a historical order block around here. I think it could go lower, but I think like.
Oh, you know what I wanted to bring up to you? There's a feature that I was looking at on CaseX that BTCC should implement for sure.
Yeah, what's that?
Is this liquidation map tool?
Oh, no way.
I'll show you on my screen. Yeah, they have like it's actually pretty sweet. Like I used it to. I was like, it works pretty well for finding levels where it'll either bounce or reject from just judging off of massive liquidity pools. But like here, like you can see, it'll show like current price, and these spikes are like areas where there's liquidity. So there's like well, this is ETH, but on ETH at 2,265, there's like 1.89 billion in short liquidity sitting there, and we're coming up on 2,100 where there's like 50 million worth of long liquidity. But it works on everything, and you get like a visual like that. It'll probably have a little delay here, but
can you trade in this, or do you have to go
like directly from these liquidation maps?
Yeah, because that would be mad. Can you imagine if you were like you put a position in like at certain places on this screen?
It would work.
That would be trading in the future, bro. If they did that.
Honestly, because if you look at like you see these shelves, like you can see where like the yellow is where the most volume is at. So like yellow here, you've got like almost 100 million, 91 million in liquidity, and that's sitting at like just 70,680.
Yeah, this is from CoinGlass, isn't it? This is from CoinGlass.
I think so, because like Eric.
This is an awesome integration.
Right, Eric uses CoinGlass like religiously, and
yes, so I actually.
Yeah, see, I never really got into it until the last like couple of weeks. I've been dabbling it with it a little bit more, just because I found it through here. And
I actually found that like my most profitable like trading is when I'm looking like at CoinGlass a lot.
When you're
when I don't bother, it's not as good. I get into trades which end up being kind of like a mistake and stuff. But when you're looking at CoinGlass, like look, I'm probably a couple seconds behind, but like between 69 and 70 at like. It's really hard to talk to you. Can you share your screen and we can actually talk about a live chart at the same?
Yeah. Here, can you? Oh wait, on the actual chart, like, can you see my?
If you share your screen inside Discord, and then you can minimize Discord, and then we can be talking about the same chart.
I think.
Yeah. All right. Go back to that CoinGlass chart on KSEX. Eric, have you seen this? Have you seen have you seen KSEX have CoinGlass in their trading platform?
It doesn't explicitly say CoinGlass, but you can pretty much assume that
it might not be, but if it's identical.
It's
right?
pulling the same data, like obviously.
Yeah, they got like liquidation maps in there. Connor, how do you find that? Eric's asking.
It's pretty easy. I'll tell Eric I said what's up. Just go through KSEX.
He says hello, bro. I don't know if you can hear that. He says big love.
Yeah, I miss you too, brother. I miss you. I love you. Just go through KSEX. Like, go sign into the exchange, or I think you have to sign into the exchange. And then you click any of the tickers, and then there will be that'll say chart, information, trading data, liquidation map.
Yeah, just any of the tickers, it's like right below the tickers, chart, information, trading data, and liquidation map. Hit liquidation map, then.
And there's two different versions. There's two different versions. There's like one where it just shows where price is and kind of like what's this called?
Order book.
Yeah, an order book. Sorry, my brain is melted right now. And then on the next page, you can see where like this is like where I took my long is at the bottom of the shelf.
It's a decent long, man. I totally agree with you, but I just don't think it has enough energy behind it to be like a. Because what are these candles?
Well, right now look at this. It's back down here. The only I'd be targeting the top of the bottom of that shelf at 70K, just above 70K. So
it's definitely reachable.
It's reachable, but it's gonna take some volume.
And it might hit your stop. You might want to pull up your stop on.
I did.
TradingView to match your stop on.
Yeah, you're right. What is this? I don't even know what I put my stop at here.
Oh, dude, are you about to be break even?
I'm still up. Break even. I'm still up 20%. Thankfully, I only took whatchamacallit?
$3.
Yeah. No, I'm only up 20%. Yeah, then it's like, I really don't give a shit that much. I fucked up because I was driving. I went to go get a coffee, and then I looked at the screen. I'm like, oh, this is a great spot. And then I hit buy, and it was I only had $40 selected in my margin. So I'm like, damn it, bro. That is
you know what Eric's made a ton of money doing? Recently, he's gone on Polymarket, and he's gambling on whether the next 5-minute candle will be red or green.
He's doing that? Damn. Like,
yeah.
I looked into it at first when they first implemented it, but I wasn't really trading. All you have to do is say up or down, right? That's it?
Yeah, green or red.
Yeah, that's insane. So you have like a 50-50 shot on making money. So if your win rate is just...
If you can look at momentum.
Yeah.
But like he turned $3 into 300.
No shit.
Yeah, he was full pulling every position, got 15 right in a row.
Holy fuck. You guys should look into... Actually, I'm going to send you an X profile that I figured maybe would be a good KOL for you to look into. He doesn't do... he doesn't do crypto futures right now, but he does have an insane reach. Like, this guy's turned $300 into $300,000 in a month.
Wow, that is insane.
Yeah.
Do you want to see a crazy insight into the BTCC office? What it's like?
Yeah. Yeah.
Go in your group chat.
All
this
right.
This is like top secret information.
No shit. Oh my god. That's so funny. This guy's gamble maxing. Like at that point, he's like the gen maxing. He's like, how many ways can I have my money leveraged on I'm surprised there isn't like another screen with Polymarket or Calci open. Just sitting there like, all right, we're gonna.
Oh my god, what is this cocktail? Oh well. Yeah, Thursday night in the office is cocktail night.
Man, it's so crazy that it's Thursday already. I feel like I got drunk on St. Patrick's Day and woke up today. Like I honestly don't. I feel like I like went through a warp speed on this.
Did you sleep through last night? Yesterday?
Pretty much. And then when I actually got up, of course because Danielle worked a double on Tuesday for St. Patrick's Day, so she took yesterday off. And then when I woke up, she's like, "I want to go shopping. I want to go do this. I want to." I'm like, "All right, fuck. I can't say no.
Fuck.
It's her like only day off of the week, so I can't just be a vegetable." So I had to.
Right.
I had to just be
I
hungover, walk around shopping with her, and
miserable, trying to smile, right?
yeah, I'm just like, yeah, whatever you want to do. And then she's like, we should go for lunch too. And I'm like, at lunch, sitting watching the Jerome Powell press conference, watching.
That's so romantic.
Yeah, I'm like, listen, we can go, but I'm going to be watching this while we're there. So, like, I can't miss this. My boy's last. It's actually sad with him. It's funny, Trump too. I think he just said not too long ago too. He's talking shit about Powell not cutting the rates. It's like not smart, stupid and stubborn. That's what he said. He called him stupid and stubborn.
That's funny. I mean,
dude, how is gas over where you guys are?
Gas?
Yeah, like how's the gas prices?
You mean petrol, right?
Yeah.
I don't know, man. I don't drive, man. I live like close to, I live like a train, like 20 minutes on the train from work. Like I walk 5 minutes to my train station and then 5 minutes from the station to where I work. So I don't really drive.
So you don't have to.
Petrol prices, London.
Man, that's
no way. Oh my god. I'm just googling it. It's bad.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I'm like, dude, it's really bad here. Like, it's gone up like
It's like
30% in 2 weeks, maybe more. But some places are getting hit way worse.
so apparently there was a so Chelsea is one of the nicest parts in London.
Yeah,
And you know Gulf, the oil company.
yeah.
Yeah, there's a Gulf garage in Chelsea that was selling it for selling 253 pence and not 253.9, so 254 pence per litre.
What is that for a dollar?
So let's have a look.
How many different kinds of currency do you people have? Like, what is a pence? What's a pent now?
A pence is a 1 pence is a penny, which is 1/100th of a pound.
Okay, I got you.
So,
because we should be similar. Like, I'm in Canada, so we have all this British influence, this English influence.
so it's $1. Oh my god, that's crazy. Hang on.
Ours is $1.62 Canadian per liter, or $1.69 actually when I went out this morning.
Have a look. I don't know about Canadian, but it's
So that would be
$3.40 a litre. And you do gallons, right?
no, I do in Canada. It's liters too.
Okay, so it's $3.40 a litre. US.
$3.40 a liter?
Yeah.
Shut the fuck up! Oh my god, that's
Yeah.
literally double what my gas is here right now.
Yeah,
just looked
I mean
at
that is not the average national price, but there was one garage.
Yeah.
in Chelsea
That's
selling
crazy.
it for that.
Like mine is high to us right now, and it's like the equivalent to of $1.23 US per liter.
I mean, I've never seen it above £1.99, which is $2.66, $2.66. That's the highest I've ever seen it in my life. That was during COVID.
Yeah, for sure. They were higher than like it's crazy to think about because like what's a barrel sitting at right now? It's like 96 or 95. 96, almost 97. Man, and people are calling, like serious analysts are calling, saying that they wouldn't be surprised to see a barrel going for 200 plus US. So that'd be double from where we're at right now.
Yeah, that's fucked.
Insane. I know. I've been like trying to hold back from opening a sizable leverage long position on oil.
Did you ever meet Daniel? You met Daniel, right?
Yeah.
He's so long on oil right now. He's so long.
Yeah. Smart.
He's been long. He's been long all day and heavy long.
It looks like it's a. I mean, if you.
He's been long since last week.
Yeah. What, when it went down to like 85 or whatever? Around there, probably.
Bro, I need to be out there, right?
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, it looks like a pretty serious uptrend here on oil. Milo, what are you doing, buddy? If this trend line holds up, GG's. Oil's gonna make a new high. I'd be really surprised to not see oil make a new high. Honestly. What did we tap out at around 120? Yeah. I'd be really surprised to see this not break out. Maybe I will actually open up a long position here. SPY still drilling. Bitcoin's back up though. Take that. Another decent candle to the upside. I wish I went heavier on this sweep. I don't really want to bring down my average. Hey boys. How many people we got in the chat right now? I haven't even been looking at the chat. Crypto buddy, what's up? Pump it, we shall. Hopefully we can get a few more people in here instead of what's up, what's up. Sorry, I was just checking out the chat. I realized I didn't even look at.
Crypto buddy, P4I, pump it up. I hope you've gone to Twitter and retweeted, liked, and added your mates.
We've got a whole
two people watching right now.
I know.
You know.
Today is not the fucking day. You know what's weird though? It's kind of annoying because the 2 days before, like Monday or Sunday and Monday. Sunday I really had a good viewership, but really? I think we had like 500, but not at the same time. Like at the peak at the same time, I think we had like 50 or something like that. But
I remember I used to host like two X Spaces a week on X, obviously, and we would draw like between 1 and 4K on average, and it was all about projects being built on Ton. Okay. And the Ton one time the Ton Foundation like started doing X Space at the same time, and I got I was like, everybody, what the fuck are they doing? This is outrageous. Like, everyone go over there and like start telling them to shut up. How dare they stream at the same time as me?
Yeah. Did they join?
And they stopped, and then they came over and joined my space.
Nice.
Yeah, it was sick. It was sick.
Yeah, that is sick. Yeah, I used to get really good, like back a couple, like in 2021, 2022, I used to do a lot of Twitch streaming while I traded. Mm-hmm. And I used to get like good view, like there are like a few hundred people at once, like, you know, 300 or 400. I think at like the max, like I have like a couple thousand followers on Twitch, but I'm trying to build up YouTube now. Now we're just over 1K, I think 1,100 and something
16
for YouTube. Yeah, that sounds about right. So I'm just trying to, my goal is to do streaming pretty much every day and then start posting like 3-ish videos a week, you know?
Yeah. And I do think that like, if you can, I think what you should do is like, give 50%, like give 50% or something of the winnings away to one viewer. Like whatever you win on the stream. Like if you lose, obviously you don't need to take money from the viewers. But like,
That sounds like a good deal. We could do that.
yeah, but if you win, like give 50% of whatever you win away to like one lucky viewer, or like split it between a few of them. It's gonna draw some views, man. I'm telling you.
Yeah, I need to be gambling with more than $40. I think if if I'm gonna be enticing
Well, I
anybody.
mean, yeah, you're right. Maybe you're right. But like, hey, you know,
Even I guess
$10 now, right? So like $5 to someone that didn't have $5. Imagine if you're in Nigeria and you got no money, someone gives you $5 for nothing. It's like, what's...
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah, we're up. It's actually, look at BTC now. We're pumping a little bit, so I'm up. I'm back up almost 50% on that one.
Hell yeah.
Not bad. I might just take it and readjust because.
No, I don't. Yeah, I mean, do you want to get in a store here? Like, look at the trend, bro. It's bad.
I just don't. Like, I actually do want to see a retest of 70K, but I don't want to like it come up towards that liquidity shelf. But I don't want to exit and then buy in at a shittier price. Like I got in at a really good spot here for the lows. So I'm just like, as far as throwing.
Yeah, you want to say this for a while.
Yeah, just for like, or else I would like regular time I would have put in a couple $100 and I would have already been up $100 and something and I've been fine with it. You know.
Have a look at the 30-minute.
Let's pull it up.
It looks better.
Yeah, decent hammer candle here.
Yeah.
We made a lower low, but still strong. It's actually really strong right now. Damn, I'm almost 60% now.
It's funny how changing the time, like changing the time scale can flip you bullish or bearish. Like it's crazy.
Oh, 100%. That's why like a lot of people sometimes they'll like look at me and they're, why are you going long here or whatever. I'm like, dude, pull up like something other than the 3 minute, and then you'll understand. Like the 3 minute, yeah, it might look bearish, but there could be like if you look on the 4 hour right now, this level, that level at like 68, 8 or whatever is a decent support here.
Yeah.
Pushed off.
Why do you trade SPY? Why do you trade SPY?
Oh, I started off as an options trader. So I started like this was my like bread and butter for years. I would trade SPY and SPX. Like that was my pretty much that, and QQQ a little bit here and there, but it was mostly SPY and SPX options. Like I used to make a absolute killing trading those, but I kind of made the switch over in 2023-ish to playing crypto futures mostly. Just because I've always had a terrible sleep schedule. Like I'm just a terrible sleeper. So I was getting annoyed of waking up early to trade. I'm like, what do I make all this money for when I still work like 9 to 5 hours? So then I started trading crypto futures because it allowed me to trade at the times that I wanted to.
Yeah, that's fair. You can trade like Japan Open and stuff like that.
Yeah, easy, yeah. I can trade all that, and that for that around me, like for me around that time is like peak my hours. Like I stay up too late, like 3 a.m. most nights. So I'm just. By the time if I fall asleep, sometimes I even if I try and wake up for New York Open, I'm just like, fuck this. What am I doing this for? But I'm trying to get back into it because.
But bro, like New York Open is like I don't know.
It's the best.
Crazy hour for you. What? Yeah, it's great volatility. Really good to trade.
It's like 9:30 here.
9:30. Oh, yeah. Okay, so you like it's fine.
Yeah, it's not as bad. But if you're going to bed every night at 3 a.m., it seems less attractive at that time.
Okay, yeah, I know what you're saying.
I'm like, fuck.
Yeah.
Running on.
I think this position that you're in could be good. I'm not seeing like a ton of reversal, and it's very, very down. But depending on what your target is, like 70k. Is that what you're looking at?
Yeah, I'm targeting. If you can see now, probably a little bit of a delay, but I'm looking at this shelf here. It's around
Yeah,
70,000.
I can see on the screen share.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot I have that open. Yeah, around like 70,100.
Mm.
Around there. Honestly, it would be a better target around 70,600 because there's more liquidity resting there, but I won't get
I
greedy.
mean, I'm looking at 70,001.
Yeah, right there.
I think that's an alright. What's your like profit if you land that?
Not that great. I mean, I only have 400 or $40 in it, but
Yeah,
let me check this.
How much do you make if you like?
$60, $65. I'll
Nice.
like 150%. You know, so that's not bad.
Yeah.
Off of 20 or off of $40. You know, could be.
Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Like you give 30 away. Like you don't have to do this stream, but like
yeah.
If you think about it like that, like you just gotta make twice as much as you want. And then you give away 50%, and I promise you do that every day, and you publicize like the winner, and then you DM the winner and be like, can you make a tweet about how you won, and share the screenshot of the transaction coming into your wallet, and then you retweet him saying he's won. You'll get like a lot of people viewing. They might not be high value viewers, but you'll get a lot, and then the algorithm will start to like. Either you're getting a lot, then you'll be promoted, and you'll begin to get like more higher value viewers like watching.
Yeah.
And
well, around here, John, we think all of our viewers are high value.
True, especially the two of them watching right now.
Yeah. Oh, do we?
Hell yeah.
Oh, Savvy's in here too. I just looked at the stream.
Yeah,
Savvy's
I saw that. Hey, Savvy.
It's one of my boys.
Yeah, I'm Savvy from the group chat.
Yeah. Yeah.
You could add your Discord to the YouTube. You could add your Discord to the YouTube description if you want. I just want that.
Oh yeah, that's true. You're right. I don't think it is. It's because I for a little bit there I was trying to like promo the Telegram more. I don't even know if that's in there though.
I mean, I like the Telegram more. Maybe because I'm in Telegram a lot more, but
Oh yeah, it is. Okay, it is still in there. Trading is more successful than a 9 to 5. It honestly is. It is. I miss.
Only if you're good at it.
Yeah. Well, yeah. I just for me, I feel like just being able to clock out and being like, all right, I'm done for the day is so nice.
Yeah.
You miss that.
I mean, you make it look easy, to be honest. Actually, to be fair, I made it fairly decent amount of money when I was trading, and then I got liquidated, and then I kind of thought, fuck this.
You though, like, you have kind of the same deal because with your work, you can't necessarily just clock out, right? Like, it's kind of always moving.
I mean, there's an element of that, like, no, I definitely can't, like, it's always on. I'm always clocked on. Like, there's no clocking out. If I clock out, it's kind of like, I feel guilty about it because I'm, like, letting people down, like, letting my clients down, so, no, there is no clocking out. But, yeah, I mean, you can take a little bit of time, you go to lunch.
Yeah.
Be far away for a bit. But other than that, like, no, it's pretty tough.
Yeah. Because, well, it's like, yeah, for you too, it's like, it's similar to me when it comes to attention grabbing, but it's like, you can't really take too much time off because there's so much competition within your space. Like, you know?
Yeah, for sure. For sure. And sometimes the difference between someone working with you and working with someone else is how responsible you are and how much you can go out of your way to, like, make sure that people are being looked after, so.
Dude, I don't know what it is, but that, like, 2-bit exchange, 2-bit, is that the name? U-bit or 2-bit? They've been fucking hammering me with messages over the last few days. I swear I've got, like, 4 different BDs from 2-bit. I'm like, guys, I don't trust your exchange. It's not that I don't, like, I've had a lot of, like, exchanges that I just don't, I look them up and I'm like, man, they have so many complaints.
Yeah. I mean, I know the BDs from 2-bit.
Do you?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure they're great
No.
guys. That it's not on
No.
them. It's not on them. I'm sure I'm like
No,
backpedaling now.
I-
They're actually great.
I didn't say that.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, I honestly like I never have anything against any of the BDs because they're just doing their job. But like, I just
Yeah.
certain exchanges.
I just some of them are cool, and I'll just leave it at that. Like,
Yeah. That's like.
I think we've got a really, I think you know, we've got a really good BD team here at BTTC.
Oh, you guys are the best. BD wise. By
Yeah.
far. By far.
Yeah, I agree.
Shit, give me 2 seconds. I think I hear my dog doing something wrong. What are you guys doing?
Is he alive?
My bad, give me 2 seconds.
Well, I hope that Connor's dog is okay. Thank you everybody for still checking in and listening. Appreciate it.
My bad.
All three of you. Love you.
My bad.
Is your dog okay?
Yeah, he's good. They were just outside and I couldn't like I was like, where the fuck are they? They were just walking around on the side of my house. I'm like, oh my god, okay. I got as soon as I don't see them for a second, I'm like, yeah, my heart like drops. I'm like, oh no. Oh no.
I know exactly what you mean, bro.
My one dog is like notorious for if there's an opportunity for him to break out of my backyard, he acts like my house is Alcatraz.
Yeah, fucking Houdini.
Yeah. But it's like, dude, he's like the most pampered dog on planet Earth, so it's just insulting.
Yeah.
It's just insulting at this point. I'm like, dude, where the fuck are you gonna go that's gonna be better than here? Like, drives me nuts. Like, give me a break.
You motherfucker.
Yeah.
Alright, bro, I'm gonna have to like hang up.
No worries.
But
do your thing.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
We can do it again tomorrow if you want.
I'm
Like,
down.
maybe excellent.
I'm down. Yeah, I'll be on tomorrow live too. 100%.
Alright, sweet.
All
I
right.
reckon we hit 70.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I think I like that. I like the sound of that. If we can, I'll make $50 and I'll be able to pay for dinner tonight.
Hell yeah. Alright, Borisky, have a good one.
All right. Talk to you soon.
Bye.
All right. Well, that was nice having John in here. Had to bring up the live chat. Okay, here we go. Sav, are you in anything right now? If you're still in here? Still making a higher low on this 30-minute candle. I should have put more into this trade though. I think I'm gonna move my stop loss up. I'll put it below that. Where's that 30-minute candle bottom? Yeah, perfect. I'm gonna keep it there at 69. Does seem to be rejecting the base of that, or the top of that Bollinger Band. Oh, shit. Two seconds. Hey, Cosmo. All right, what do we play? What do we play? Yeah, there's a decent amount of long liquidity sitting at 69.6 or 68.6, sorry. Almost $1 billion in long liquidity there. Anybody got anything they want me to look at? Uni? Okay, I can take a look at that. I'm opening a, I just opened a small short on Lyn, L-Y-N. I'll take a look at Uni. Yeah, it's pretty much taking out those initial gains from at the end of February. That was me yesterday. Fell asleep and my Bitcoin long was open. I was so close to hitting my first take profit level. Well, not really that close, but close enough that when I woke up and it was stopped out, I was like, God damn it, I should have just taken my money and ran. You know what? I'll give it this. Like, Uni's chart obviously doesn't look great, but there is some resistance going back to February, like when this initial breakout hit, and like here on the 28th where it bounced again, and we're here. We're just underneath it. If this resistance can flip into support here around 350, you might have another push up towards like 386, maybe this middle Bollinger Band here, maybe a little bit higher. But if not, like, you're kind of banished back down to the shadow realm around 320. The MACD on the daily is also flipped bearish, quite heavy here today too. You can see it's kind of, it might go back into this box here where it was chopping for most of February. You holding into Uni though, Ibuka? Oh, hey, I'm up 20% on my Lin short. This felt like this 15-minute looked overbought. Where's ETH at right now? I'll take a look at the liquidity levels on ETH. I'll do the same thing for Uni too. ETH, I'm surprised. I feel like it'll tap this 2130. There's been a lot of liquidity sitting at 2130 on ETH recently. Even the other day before the breakout, and then when it did break out, it shot up like 50 bucks, 80 bucks. Actually, way higher, didn't it? What was it at, 2300? Now I feel like, yeah, it went up a lot actually. You got stopped out at 3 on a long position. Are you playing it here? Like, we're in a lot of these, like the major coins like ETH, BTC, we're trading in a liquidity gap right now, so it's kind of a dangerous spot to open any long or short positions because you don't have much. Like, you just have kind of thin air in between. Like here on ETH, between, let's say, 2096, 2090 to 2130, you got kind of like a $40 gap in liquidity. And BTC similar. Damn, we're up 30% on Lin. Let's go. I might just close this out. Take the win here. I'm gonna check out the 3-minute. Yeah, same situation on Uni too. Stuck in a gap. Liquidity intensity obviously is a lot lower around here though, just in like the hundreds of thousands. It's crazy to think about where Uni was, and now it's at 350. I haven't really been paying attention to it all that much. Oh god damn it! Look at this candle on Lin. Took my eyes off it for a minute, and then I went from plus 30% to plus 13. Looks like BTC is getting a small boost up again. Alright, I put my stop loss into up on Lin and got hit there. Shouldn't have got distracted. I could have taken an easy 30% on that. I might just close out my BTC long soon. Not feeling as confident in it. Shorting silver ASAP, that's a little bit risky with how down it is already today. Just shorten. I don't know though, it does look like it is getting exhausted up here over 70. I might just take this win on BTC. I've caught like 800 and something points now. Fucking stretched out. 69,649. Oh, okay. I see what you're looking at now, Sav. I took another small short on Lin. It does look kind of strong right now, so I'm not going to risk too much. I think I'm just going to take my profits here on BTC too. I'm up like 60%. I want to get greedy. See if my order fills here on BTC. Yep, nice. Order filled on BTC long, closed it just there for just over 60%. So can't be mad at that. Watch, it's gonna run now. If you're long BTC, thank me later. It's probably gonna go to 70K now. See if I can't get a small drawdown on Lin here. Make back what I lost on it. Oh, okay. Actually, I think I pretty much already did what I lose on $5. Yeah, I could probably just take this and run away. You okay, Milo? Come here. Thank you, buddy pal. Yeah, I just got sick of it. I only had like $50 in the trade, which is just stupid. But on my part, I should have had more in it. But when I was placing the trade, I was driving and clicked the wrong button. Oh shit. Yeah, I just got fucked there on Lin twice. I might just leave this thing alone now. Seems strong for now. Yeah, making new highs. I think I was just putting too much. Maybe my leverage was too high. Yeah, I did. I was doing max leverage, I guess, so. Yeah, yeah. He likes to pop in and make me feel guilty for ignoring him. That's his favorite thing to do while I'm streaming. He comes in, he's like, "Oh, still not paying attention to me. Okay." Fuck it, I put it in another short on Lin because I'm an idiot, but this is pure revenge. I lost. God damn it, it hit me right again, right away. God, I hate this coin right now. And then what? Look at this, it just wicked me out. Son of a bitch. I hate this this random coin that I've never played before. Getting a on that silver. Look at this. It's gonna drop. Watch. This candle's gonna flip red now. So lame. How much is SPY down now today? Another 0.5%. Ugly couple weeks on SPY. So lame. Look at this candle on Lin. Dropping now after stopping me out. BTC is slowly pumping now. See, I told you. Of course it is. I sold my long position. Thank me later. Tao and Hype should look into it. Yeah, Tao's is it's just been killing me, man. Like Tao has been killing. I have to like force myself to not trade that because I just don't have a good win rate on it. I can't get a good grasp of the price action, so I'm leaving it alone. Because I sunk some money into it trying to trade it up and down. I made some decent plays on it, but I had to I had to just stop playing Tao. It just wasn't worth it at the end of the day. Hype is moving like a roller coaster. I'll take a look at it. Yeah, damn. Why isn't this short opening up? Like, I placed a small short order on Hype. Damn, look at that. BTC pumped to 69.9. Shit, I should have just held that just a little bit longer. My short order filled on Hype there. I put in a tight stop though at 40.27. Couple of small trades open. Nothing crazy. Short on Lin, 20x. Short on Hype, 45x. Maybe I'll get this drop on Lin now. Who knows? Move my stop loss up on it a little bit that way. If it gets another pop, I don't risk too much. Hype. Looks like it's topping out here. I'm surprised the VIX isn't up today. Okay, I'm up 30% on Lin. I'll move my stop like pretty much break even here. See if I can't get this thing to fucking move lower. Three-minute MACD cross, or 5-minute MACD cross bearish on Lin here, so maybe a double top. It's possible. Making a higher low on this Lin 5-minute. Okay, I got you. I'll check on silver every once in a while. It's just silver, right? Still. I don't know. I do this every stream where I cross my leg and then my entire leg goes numb. I'm like, why do I do this? It's not even that comfortable. Got you. Doesn't look bad so far. We're at 71.35. I'm up 10% on hyper, nothing crazy. Kind of boring price action right now, honestly. Oh, nice red candle there on Lin. Oh, very nice red candle there on Lin, actually. Beauty. Up 40%. Nice. Looks like everything's kind of dropping at once. Alright. Oh, look at that. 1350. Alright, I'm just gonna take this. Come on. It didn't trigger? Oh, hey, babe. Sorry, phone's charging right now. Alright, closed out that Lin trade. Now wait for Bitcoin to test 70K just above. If I can get out, it'll be something like this. You okay, boys? Cosmo's good. Yeah, I made back the losses that I had on Lin there. Wasn't bad. I think the best fill though. 10.386. Now it's at 10.36, 10.347. So I could have gotten a better fill, but Maybe I'll take a small long here. Nice. Look at that green candle. What was my entry on that? 10358. This hyper trade, it was moving like a roller coaster until I got in it. Now it's kind of boring. I might just exit this. I'm up like 7%. Yeah. I'll just move stop to break even. That way there's no way I lose on that one. Alright, I just closed out the hyper trade, up 10%. Damn, I just got stopped out on my Lin Long though. Lin Long. Okay. I have an order to open up a Lin Long here at 10.305. If it hits, it hits. Alright, my long hit on Lin there. Damn it, I should have just stayed in the short. I had such a good short position on this. Now I'm getting chopped away. Damn. Man, this would have been such a sweet buy to the on the short side. Instead, I messed it up. I got out of that short way too soon. Could have paid much more, but it scarred me. These other candles have been getting bought up pretty much every time. Need 2 seconds. Right back. Boys. Should be charged now. Come on, Mike. Come on. A few bucks. Tell me this was a charge. Oh, nice. We're up on Lynn. Okay. Move the stop loss up on Lynn there. Where's BTC? So isn't giving me my short entry there. All right, we're up. Oh, look at this candle. Beautiful. Up like, oh, well, I was up 40%. What is that? 2, 3, 4, 9. No, I should have got that short off there. Or I should have got that, oh, well, never mind. I think I'll get another opportunity right now. Maybe. Nope. God damn it. Some big top wicks here, actually. I don't know. Maybe I'll just close it out. What I'll definitely do is put my stop at break even. It looks like it wants to stay above uh, 10-3, but struggling. BTC pulling back a little bit. A little bit of a rounded top here. Oh wow, look at that candle. Beautiful. 10, 4, 6, 8. Damn, we're up 60%. Whoa. I'm gonna take profits. Not bad. 65%. I'll take that all day. Could go higher here, but I'll take that. It's pretty much, what did I get filled at? 10,504. Damn, it's at 10,558. I could have probably squeezed out another 10, 15% on that, but I'll walk away with that and be happy. It's funny, it seems to be inversely correlated with BTC. Bitcoin's dropping, that started to pump. I'm sure there's no real correlation with it, but interesting enough though. When things are like caught in a range like this, I just like to play my top gainer strategy. Just go through the top gainers, see what's overbought. And short, make some money off that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I have I have a YouTube video posted. I have a video in here posted that explains and goes over the strategy. It's simple. It's only like I don't even think it's a 15-minute video, but thanks, Crypto Buddy. Yeah, that was a good one. It was good to make that back. I lost 3 in a row on this, but just small paper cuts. $2, $5, 7, and then made a nice $25 gain on that one, so net positive. When it's like this, I don't like to play with too much because it's just not worth it. Sorry for the silence, just give me 2 seconds. think I'm gonna be sidelined, like at least for now. Like this is my next setup that I was really watching, was a potential short around 70K. There's a bunch of liquidity sitting there, so until then I'm probably just gonna play some of the alts. This will be a big level here though. At 69.6, because this is, you can see this is resistance here, here, here. It's a lot of top wicks that are touching this level. So if this can hold and flip into support, maybe we see another leg up towards 70,100. But I don't want, like, I can bring up the liquidity heat map here. It's playing in this box still, not really worth it. It's a lot of resting liquidity between 68 or 68.8 and 68.5. So a lot of money sitting here, but nothing in between really. And then the next level above is 71 or 70,100, not 71,000. So it's not like, it's for me right now, playing in that gap, it's not really, it's a little bit too dangerous to go on anything crazy. Damn, I took profits actually. I was kind of upset. I was like, man, maybe I should have waited a little longer on that Lin long, but look at this. Look at that rejection rate after. Definitely glad I took profits there. Yeah, crypto buddy, you just gotta, you have to have, oh my god, look at this drop right now. I might grab a small long here. I'll throw in 40 bucks. Damn. Silver dumping too? Shit, I'm sorry, Sav, I took my eyes off it for a minute. 71 now. Not bad. My bad, I took my eyes off it for a minute there. I was locked in trading these shit coins. Gotta stop playing with my beard like a psycho. Alright, I'm up 20% on this Lin long right now, 25%. Maybe I'll just close this out. What did I lose on the first one? 8, 12. No, it's not. No, normally I'm bouncing back and forth, but I just got hyper fixated on this chart. I find that if I'm scalping, I need to like just stay on one chart. Then I get a good feel of it for like how it moves and where I should buy and scalp and sell. You know, just like this one, I've been playing it for like an hour and now, like I know when it's oversold. Oh my god, shit. That was so lame. I was literally just about to close that out and then it got another big knife. I knew that was the... Man, my problem is I'm so much slower on PC than I am with my phone. On my phone, I've got it down to it's like a reflex, but on PC, I'm so slow when it comes to, fuck. I got screwed there. I only lost $3. I put my stop to pretty much break even, but still, like, I'd be back up 20% now. God damn it. BTC is still holding up at this level for now. I guess the long case here would look something like this. Something like this, I guess, if you entered here as a long and then targeted like 70,150 around there, and then you put your stop around here around 69,380 or maybe 350 if you wanted to. But this is still like a 2-to-1 R&R trade. It's not that bad. I'm not going to take it personally, but just because I'm a pussy. And I don't like playing in between these liquidity gaps. Oh, I guess 6 of you guys watching right now. What's up? What's up? What's up? Sorry I was a little quiet there. I just kind of zoned out. I don't really know what to trade right now. BTC just doesn't seem worth it right now to me. Unless you're taking maybe a small long, the somewhat tight stop. You could even go tighter than that, like make it a 3-to-1 R&R trade here, but is it exactly worth it? Nah, I don't know. Milo, what are you doing, buddy? Maybe I should bring up the good luck charm here. Milo. He's such a dick. Doesn't even look at me when I call his name. Okay, I guess 15-minute MACD turned bearish on Lin. It's testing its middle Bollinger Band. It's up 37.5%. BTC is just stuck here at 69.6. I don't know, maybe I will take this long trade. No, you know what? I'm gonna stay. Oh, I'll stay patient for now. No point in rushing into a trade when your ideal setup isn't there. What to trade? What to trade? I'm gonna have to come up with some kind of like segments for the live. Something to keep things spicy when things are slowing down like this. Maybe we can look at popular financial TikToks or something like that. Or look at some of the trending posts on X. I don't know. Figure out something though. Always some stupid shit online to react to. Kind of annoyed that yesterday I didn't get to trade the FOMC price action, but it wasn't as volatile as previous FOMCs. So it's not like I missed out too much, but still, I prefer to be around for those kind of events. I'm going to be live trading every day from now on, no matter what. At least an hour live trade every day. It's my goal for the rest of the year. Slowly bring this little community back together. Get it back to what we used to be. I'll bring in more co-hosts and stuff like that too. Man, oh man. Oh, what do you know? BTC is still at 69.6. Very fun stuff. Maybe when the hourly candle changes over here in 10 minutes, we get a boost in volume. It's possible. Man, I had a short trade at the top of this trend. I should have walked away, or not even walked away, just held. Sometimes actually actively watching screws up your psychology because you're just too into the price action. Sometimes if you see a good setup, you buy in, you walk away, you're almost better off. Can't let like little ups and downs affect you and how you're trading. Damn it, look at, now it's getting this boost. I was waiting for it to get a little bit lower to this bottom Bollinger Band, but I don't think I'm going to get that. BTC might be taking an early jump on this. If it makes a lower low here on the 5 minute, could pull back longer. Now I'm feeling glad I didn't take that long position, but it's so weird. It seems like when BTC falls back, some of these altcoins that are moving today are like pumping. Damn it. Lin is getting a boost now. I was trying to time that bottom there, but I might have missed it, unfortunately. I might be able to, I'm looking into it now, just message my rep, but I might be able to get some nice trading bonuses for you guys if you sign up under one of my links, whether it's BTCC or Blowfin. I'm going to see, my goal is to give away, I'm going to try and do $50 dollars in bonus funds every trading day. So every day I'll pick someone random out of the chat and then give out $50 in trading bonuses. I'm just going to make sure I can get this approved first because I might be jumping the gun a little bit, but it'd be cool if we could do that. Give back to you guys for supporting and whatnot. Maybe I'll pitch 25 at first. And then if we get the viewership up and get enough signups to the exchanges, then I could probably push it up. Thank you for the support, Zentrox. I see you tweeting at me. If you're still in here, appreciate the love. If you're in here for the future bonus today, I'm just gonna warn ahead of time, I might not be able to give it out this session, but I will. I'm gonna see if I can get approval before the end of it. But if not, then I'll make sure to do the same thing tomorrow. Oh, okay. Crypto Buddy. Now I see. Now I see who you are. My bad. I just took a small short trade on Lin to see if I could get it to pull back towards this bottom Bollinger Band, but momentum seems to be on the upside right now. So what I'll do is I just put a tight stop above the previous 5-minute candle. Damn, I can't believe I've been streaming for 2 hours already. Feels like 1 maybe. But I guess, yeah, we did have John here for the first like 45 minutes or so. So that makes sense. BTC is getting another nice candle here. Where did it top off there? Just around 69.8. Not bad. And like clockwork, as soon as Bitcoin pumps, this Lin coin has been dumping, and then vice versa. I should just have the charts next to each other. Be able to play them off. Oh, excuse me. Momentum on either side. Power hour about to start now. We got like 2 minutes away. Damn, I got clipped on that stop hit there on this small Lin short trade there. Damn it. Damn. BTC went up to just below 70K. Keeping my eye on this. If I can get my short entry. It would look something like that. If I can get that. Obviously. It's kind of a lofty goal for sure, but if I can get this, then I'd be looking to retrace lows. And it's like 7-to-1 risk reward, so you can't ask for a better R&R than that. But we need to push up a little bit higher. I'm looking for this liquidity, that wall of liquidity at 75 or at 70,100. Z-Tech, if you're in here now. My bad if I didn't see that right away. Oh, actually, no. I might have seen that faster than I thought I did, but... I have no luck with this stupid coin, and this is probably going to be the last. I've had some decent wins on it, but... not good enough. BTC back pumping again. You know what, just for good measure, I'm going to place that short trade. Alright, I placed a trade there. Damn, I think I'm going to get stopped out here on Lin. Yeah. I'm just going to move it. Ah, fuck it. Got stopped out on Lin there, but I opened up my short trade on BTC here for 70,140. If that's here, just a 50x short position. Be targeting this upside liquidity. My dog sees somebody. Here's somebody. See if I get filled here. Oh, I got filled. Holy shit. Okay. What was the top of my stop? 70,330. Okay, I put in my stop loss. It's like I said, tight. This is just for a potential rejection at that liquidity. I put my stop in at 70,345. So I'm in now at 50x on BTC. I'm honestly surprised we got that. I mean, I guess it is power hour now, but I'm surprised I got that move up so quickly. It almost kind of worried me because I'm like, man, if momentum's that strong on BTC, you could just see like it go into warp speed and fly up to your stop loss if it's tight, if it's too tight. But I'm already up 10%, so not bad. Only worry is that it's been so compressed all afternoon that now that it's broken out of resistance and broke above 70k, we might see a decent amount of bullish momentum. But I think with this R&R trade, it's not bad because like I'll be targeting, you know, like 68.7, and if I'm risking $300 to have like a $2,000 downturn, then I can live with that, you know. Milo, you good? I just heard that fart, bro. The people on YouTube probably just heard that fart. I don't know if you guys can see him in the background there. Both of them you can probably see through the door. Oh, shit. Messed up the camera, I think. Buyer's still stepping in though. So momentum's okay. Right now to the upside. I have a similar, oh wow, see the right back to entry there. Is this gonna pump right to my stop? It might just. I think it's going to right now. Yeah. God damn it. Oh, it took me out there. Whatever, it was worth the try. It was worth the try. Damn, Spy got a fucking pump too. Wow. Oh, that was kind of a buzzkill. But BTC back up. Can't. I'm not mad about that. I'm actually, I'm gonna take a look at the next liquidity level here. Maybe there's another potential rejection area. Damn, it might magnet right up to 70,670. That's grab the small short here. Just $100, and I'm gonna put my stop loss at 680, 70,680. Shit, actually gotta put it in here. Damn. Actually, wow, we're up 10% already. Alright, you know what? 20% just like that. I might just take it. Where did we bottom off there? 70,160. I mean, if anything, I'm gonna move my stop up. Move the stop loss up that way. Pretty much free anyway. Should have just listened to that inner voice in my head. Up 20% that quickly. You just take it always. Always just take it. Incoming all the X posts about how everyone saw this SPY red to green flip coming. You already know that's going to be flooding the timeline. Crude oil's back down though. Shit, give me 2 seconds. My dog's crying at me. What do you want, Milo? Where are you? Where are you? Where is he? Is he thirsty? Is that it? Sorry about that. Oh, no way. Did my... Oh, that's so annoying. The pump continues. Where was that shelf again? 70,700 pretty much. Okay. I'll put one last short order here. See if that hits. And that'll be my last attempt. 0 for 2 on shorting this spike. It's staying strong, so I'm not gonna overdo it. See if this is gonna trigger. I wonder if it will. 70,500 right now. Normally these massive liquidity shelves kind of act like magnets. But it is pretty extended right now. And SPY's got some top wicks here. Spy and BTC are pretty much just playing in tandem right now. It's trying to get back above 70,500 now. I just like averaged in a little bit, like an early buy here. Oh, this might be too loud. Yo, go, buddy. Well, we're pulling back a little bit here, 70,350. I'm up 10%, but it's not the gains I wanted because I had $200 worth short sitting at 70,700. while I'm glad that I put in a couple bucks there short at 70,500, I'm annoyed because I should have put in a little bit more. I only put in like 50 bucks, and I had another couple hundred sitting above it, so I'd have been already up like $50 instead of $8. What am I supposed to do with $8? You know what I'm saying? Son of a bitch. Look at this dump now. I don't think I've ever been upset to be short while it's moving down, but I just don't have enough in it right now to be exciting. No, yeah, I'm short right now. Making a lower low on this 3-minute candle now. I'm up 20%. I guess there's no point in really taking it. Look at this short order. It's so annoying. What did we hit? 70,566. Was off by like 130 bucks to get my full order filled. I mean, it could be worse, I guess. We're up 20%, but thanks for everybody for showing up for Power Hour. Appreciate you. Whether you're watching on X or whether you're watching on YouTube and full screen, appreciate you. Thank you. I got my Blowfin shirt on today. Looking at this 1 minute, we could, I mean, we got a decent balance. Maybe I'll just cut off the rest of this, and if my other short order hits, it hits. Hey, buddy. Oh wow, look at that candle there too. Just as I said that. Malo, you distracted me. Look at this dog. Yeah, we only have about a half hour left for New York Open now. Decent volume came in on this candle here. Really, like, from what I can see, above that like 70,700 level, we don't have another major liquidity level until 72K, and then from there 72,600. So if Bitcoin can hold above those levels, we could see a pump back up towards 73K. You know, so that wouldn't be. That's like best case scenario for bulls if it breaks out above those levels. Let me know if the background music is a little too loud too, guys. I can always turn that down. I think sometimes I have to adjust the levels. Oh wow, it's dumping again here. Lower low. I'm up 25%. Yeah, we got a good dump there. What are you doing, Cosmo? Now the second dog joins us. You playing with your puppy? What do you guys think? You think I should just take off this this short that I had at 70,500, just take a few bucks and then wait to re-enter with some bigger capital? Or you think I should hold for a dip below 70K? I'm leaning towards dip below 70K, but I don't know. Momentum's pretty bullish right now. Sorry about that, guys. Girlfriend calls, I gotta pick up. Now it's not really worth it for me to close it out, which is, I'm having the same issue. Hopefully now we just, maybe we do test up to around that 70,700 mark, and then I can get in a short trade there. If it gives me 70,800 or 700, then I will take a short. I'll just add on to the current short that I already have, but that was the initial plan, but then we dove back a little farther than I planned on it. Damn, big, actually, judging by this 1 minute, the volume that's came in the last 2 minutes looks big. I feel like we could get another pump here. Anybody else in the chat holding anything? Anybody watching in any positions right now? Or are you just waiting along with me for us to go up a little higher before? Did any news come out? Maybe that I missed? I want to make sure of that actually. Take a look through. This is pretty much the next look that I'm looking at. Something like this. Hoping for something like that. And then it's kind of what I'm looking for. Come back to this previous resistance. Something like this. Honestly, for a second there, I forgot that I was still in this small trade. Not gonna lie. Just looking at the chart and going back and forth. I posted a tweet with the chart on it, so if you wanted to reference it, just take a look at my most recent post on X. Thank you to everybody listening, by the way. Really appreciate the support this afternoon. I'll be back on tomorrow, probably a little bit earlier, but staying on for a couple hours, just like today. We're running just at 3 hours and 15 minutes pretty much right now. My guess is I think how I'm feeling right now, I'll probably end this stream when New York closes in about 10 minutes. So I can go walk my dogs and such. But I'll still be watching that potential short setup on Bitcoin that I just posted on X there. You want to go for a walk, buddy? I think it's time for us to get out of the house. Yep, 7 minutes left for the New York Stock Exchange be open. American trading hours about to end, so if you guys have any options trades you want to get in, or you're looking at maybe taking something on Bitcoin, I'd probably hold off for now. But yeah, get your trades in if you had anything planned, because you've got about 7 minutes left. Looks like a small failed breakout here on the 1 minute. By the way, for whoever's watching, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. If you haven't signed up, you want to trade with me, trade on Blowfin, code RHT, or use the link in the description. That's all I got for you. Subscribe, sign up to Blowfin, trade with me, get a 10% deposit bonus. I'm also going to be starting the $2,000 account, trading with that, and that challenge. I don't want to call it a challenge because I'm just going to be trading with $2 grand. Going to be trying to make as much money as I can over a month. I'm not going to put any parameters on it. I'm not going to say want to get it to 4,000 or whatever. I'm just going to go with the flow and trade it up as much as I can. So if you guys are interested in that, it'll probably start Monday. I think that I'm going to go for Monday for that. Pay off some bills and stuff like that, and then get ready to go again. All right, 3 minutes left, guys. 3 minutes left, and New York closes, so get your ducks in a row. I'm up 20% on my trade, on my current smaller short on Bitcoin. I might just take it and then wait for another entry higher. Made a higher low on this 15-minute candle. So I could see it moving back up here. Oh, look who it is. What's up, what's up?
I still want it.
Yeah. It's 1 minute for New York to close, so. Go get changed, we'll go for a walk. And there we go, New York closed. Now I'm gonna go walk the dogs and keep my eye on Bitcoin. playing in this range, since I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of a liquidity sweep here. Didn't make that low. That's kind of weird. Alright. I will, I'll keep you guys updated on X, and I'll be back on live tomorrow morning. So thank you for everybody for the support. Make sure to subscribe on YouTube here, follow on X, and sign up on Blowfin with code RHT for a 10%